guys, this is Nathalje's channel, and today we are going to be showing you the fruit snacks challenge. So right here I have my friend, which we're going to do the fruit snack challenge, which you grab a fruit snack and you close your eyes tight and then you try to eat it, and then you have to try to guess what flavor is it. So we have the flavors only cherry, orange, which this one is strawberry, cherry. So we have cherry, orange, strawberry, grape, green apple, and fruit punch. So those are the only flavors that we can get. So let's start with our friend. So this one. What do you think of it? Tastes like grape. Okay, so she thinks it's grape. So my turn. So I got this one. I think it's strawberry. At the end, you get the more taste. Fruit punch. I got fruit punch. Yeah, I got fruit punch. It tastes like fruit punch a lot. I think I got strawberry that time. At the end, you get a lot of taste. Tastes like juice. Okay, so this one. Okay. I don't know what it is. It's the same thing. Strawberry. Cherry. So, it's not quite like that. Okay. I think it's orange. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah, it is. Because I can feel it. It's like strawberry. You can definitely feel it. A last pair. What is this? Oh, I think I know what it is. Is it? It's like a pear kind. I saw it. Cherry? Green apple. Okay, my turn. It's this one. Okay. Strawberry. All the kinds. And I'm gonna eat one for free. Oh my. So thank you for watching my video. Please comment down below what flavor is your favorite kind. Cherry, orange, strawberry, grape, green apple, or fruit punch. And there are all one. So please subscribe to our channel and thumbs up. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!